The Two Princes and the Grumpy Emperor. Once upon a time, there was an emperor who ruled his empire with an iron hand. He forbade everyone from showing any emotion.
No laughing. No crying either.
One day, a strange affliction struck the emperor.
Oh no! Our father is turned to stone!
Xiang Mian, the palace oracle, was summoned.
Xiang Min, what can we do to save him?
Only the two most beautiful things in this world can save him. A crystal clear sparkle and a gentle mist, like a soft breeze after a storm. Hmm?
Crystal? There's plenty of that in the Monkey Lands. But what about the mist? The sacred waterfall mists. According to legend, they're guarded by a fierce tiger. Let's go!
Wow, that sounds like an awesome adventure!
Lupin, what are you doing here?
Say, Mr. Narrator, can I be one of the two brothers? I would so like to help them save their father. Oh, please?
Well, okay.
Yes!
But have you understood what you're meant to bring back to the emperor?
Let's go, dear brother. We're off to the Monkey Land!
And so, Liang and Tao set off to the Monkey Lands in search of a crystal clear sparkle.
Well, how can we tell which crystal is the brightest sparkle? Ugly.
Greetings, young princess.
Good day, Mr. Monkey King. We're hoping to find a crystal clear sparkle.
Tell me a good joke, and I'll tell you where to find that.
Oh, I love jokes.
A joke? We're not here for laughs. We're heroes.
Oh.
Well, you're not much fun, are ya?
We've come on an important mission. Enough! Mr. Monkey King, my brother and I are here to find a crystal clear sparkle.
I'll give you as many as you like.
If that's the way it is, I'll just help myself. This crystal should do the trick.
Hey!
Lupin, are you certain that's the right remedy?
It's the prettiest one, isn't it? Hey, Tao, stop laughing now and let's get going.
Convinced that he had found the most beautiful crystal sparkle of all, Prince Liang and his brother made their way to the sacred waterfall.
Why couldn't we stay with the monkeys?
Because we're heroes, and heroes are serious.
You're just like Papa. We can't even laugh.
It must be water from this waterfall that makes mist as gentle as a soft breeze after a storm.
Where is that magnificent music coming from?
We haven't come here to listen to music. We're supposed to bring a gentle mist back to the palace.
Wow! Oh, do you hear that? It's so beautiful. It brings tears to my eyes.
I don't feel anything at all. I'm a hero. Heroes don't cry. And anyway, crying won't help us succeed in our mission.
How dare you touch the sacred waterfall? It is forbidden to approach it.
Well, we needed to save our father, the Emperor.
Put that bamboo down right now!
I can't, sorry. Let's go! Back to the palace!
Certain that he'd found the correct remedy, Yang and his brother returned to the palace with the precious treasures. Lupin, are you sure about this?
Well, yeah, a crystal clear sparkle and a light mist. Here we go. Maybe I didn't do this right.
It's not working.
Oh, come on. A true hero doesn't cry.
Oh, look!
Hey, what's happening to me?
Oh no! Lupin, I mean Prince Liang, began to turn to stone as well.
Like the Emperor! I don't understand. I thought I'd brought back the right elements to save the Emperor, but, like, was I wrong? Oh dear, I've messed everything up. A tear? Is that the remedy? Hey, Mrs. Xiangnian, could a tear be a light mist like a breeze after a storm?
That is indeed possible.
Well, if the mist is a tear, then the crystal sparkle is laughter! Tao, could you tickle me? Please?
Well done, Lupin. I believe you found the solution. By expressing their emotions, the two princes succeeded in releasing the Emperor from his stone prison.
But
The end.
An emperor must never show joy or sadness.
Why? It's important to show your emotions. I think I have a way of changing that.
From then on, performances were organized in the palace gardens where everyone could give free rein to their emotions. And the entire kingdom was much better off. The end. Well done, Lupin. Lupin, what are you doing?
I'm just making sure it really is a statue. You never know.
Oh, Lupin.